Left versus right-sided heart failure. Overview of heart failure. Heart failure is the inability of the heart to pump sufficient blood to meet the body's needs. Classified based on the side of the heart primarily affected, left-sided heart failure, right-sided heart failure, can occur separately or together, biventricular failure. Anatomy review. The left side of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body. The right side of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Failure on one side often affects the function of the other over time. Left-sided heart failure occurs when the left ventricle cannot pump blood effectively to the systemic circulation. Leads to blood backing up into the lungs. Can be further divided into systolic failure, reduced ejection fraction, diastolic failure, preserved ejection fraction. Left-sided heart failure causes hypertension, coronary artery disease, myocardial infarction, cardiomyopathy, aortic or mitral valve disease. Left-sided heart failure, signs and symptoms. Shortness of breath, dyspnea, especially on exertion. Orthopnea, difficulty breathing while lying flat. Paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea, nighttime breathlessness. Pulmonary congestion, crackers on auscultation. Cough, often productive with frothy sputum. Fatigue and weakness. Decreased urine output. Right-sided heart failure occurs when the right ventricle fails to pump blood into the pulmonary circulation efficiently. Blood backs up into the systemic veins. Often a result of left-sided failure or pulmonary diseases. Right-sided heart failure causes left-sided heart failure, pulmonary hypertension, chronic lung diseases, example, COPD, pulmonary embolism, right ventricular infarction, right-sided heart failure, signs and symptoms, peripheral edema, legs, ankles, feet, ascites, fluid accumulation in the abdomen, hepatomegaly, enlarged liver, jugular venous distension, JVD, weight gain from fluid retention, anorexia and gastrointestinal discomfort, nocturia. Left versus right heart failure comparison table. Diagnostic evaluation. Echocardiogram assesses ejection fraction, valve function. Chest X-ray shows pulmonary congestion or cardiomegaly. ECG detects arrhythmias, ischemia. BNP blood test elevated in heart failure. MRI or CT scan, structural evaluation of the heart. Management of heart failure. Lifestyle changes, low sodium diet, fluid restriction, weight monitoring. Medications, diuretics, example, furosemide. ACE inhibitors, ARBs. Beta blockers. Aldosterone antagonists. Device therapy, ICD, CRT. Surgery, valve repair replacement, heart transplant in severe cases, nursing care considerations. Monitor fluid balance and daily weights. Assess respiratory and cardiovascular status. Educate on medication adherence and lifestyle changes. Promote gradual physical activity. Monitor for signs of worsening, example, increased edema, dyspnea. Patient education. Recognize early symptoms and seek timely care. Maintain medication schedule. Diet, low sodium, heart healthy. Importance of follow-up visits. Smoking cessation and alcohol limitation.